So, you guys, last night the country got to watch the Rugby World Cup final, and the Springboks did us proud by winning, you guys. So, Musa watched the match with none other than his number three wife, Mangwabe, you guys. And I'm guessing last night it was Mangwabe's turn to spend the night with Mseleku. She was the lucky girl because she got to watch the rugby game with Mseleku, unlike the three other wives. I'm sure they were dying with jealousy. Anyways, you guys, before the game, they posted this cute message to the Springboks wishing them good luck. So here's the video. Please do share, subscribe, or follow the page if you haven't yet done so, guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm a pogo. City bok.
Uthi le France.
Yeah. Sise France kodwa sila eMzansi, so angifuna abantu baze bayosifuna eFrance kanti sila. Kodwa sithi go bok. Izibhoke nje yona abenzi try kodwa.
Thiwa bhoke noma
Kuthiwa bhoko. So ay. So besilapha eOR masebebuya.
Okay.
Hayi sobe sikhona. Kanjani sobe sikhona lapha. Yeah. Ngiyazisa lesasako manje ngisibona la ku-TV. Ukuthi kaze sihlelini noma simile sibande kodwa. Makunje kubi siyakhala. Kodwa sithi khoma pokopoko.
kuminqiwe she.
No. Lo agogo ubene confidence enzima kakhulu. Ulahla amathambo wathi nabo baba omkhulu.
Uthe bekungawinanga enze njani
Afonelwe. Uyacabanga uzofunwa njenge-service delivery. Ngoba uzabe ngadelivanga nalamathambo akhe.
Yo, hayi shame.
No, kodwa-ke abayishaya-ke i-tribe bacamela emgqeni njengoba emgqeni bafana
Hayi ke.
ngoba zoqamela kuwona
Hayi
umuqa.
silindile sifuna ukubona isiphetho.
Hayi ke sharp.
We're wishing the best for
Yeah.
Mabhokobhoko.
Yeah.